Welcome to Transact. This module provides a comprehensive overview of your business operations through detailed, real-time reports. As you can see, reports are categorized into functional areas like sales, purchase, products and services, store, quantity, etc. Now let's walk through the comprehensive reports available in each section. Sales orders tracks confirmed orders and dispatch status, summary or item-wise. Sales invoices, master record of billing and payment status, summary or item-wise. Quotations, monitors sent quotes and their conversion status, summary or item-wise. Enquiries, logs incoming leads and their conversion rates, summary or item-wise. Credit notes, summarize issued credits and returns, summary or item-wise. Sales returns, detailed log of all returned items and documents. Proforma register, tracks pre-billing invoices sent to customers. Transaction tags, organizes sales data using custom internal labels. Service reconciliation, matches service quantities against confirmations. Now let's generate a report. For example, to view your sales data, navigate to the Sales Invoice Register and click Generate Report. A configuration window will open. Here, you can refine your data by selecting specific invoice date intervals or sorting by payment status. You have several options for managing this data. You can perform an immediate download as an Excel file or use the Add to Recurring Report feature. This allows you to automate your reporting by syncing the data directly to a Google Sheet on a weekly or monthly frequency, ensuring your team always has the latest numbers without manual exports. Once your report is generated and downloaded, you'll receive a structured Excel file like this one. At the top, you'll find the report metadata, including the date range, store filters applied, and the exact timestamp the data was pulled. If you prefer to view the data immediately, click Generate Report. The system will process your request and display a detailed table. You can use the Grouped Data toggle at the top right to switch between a flattened list and a categorized view for better readability of complex datasets. You can download the Excel file and review the report. Next, we move to the purchase category. This section provides complete visibility into your procurement lifecycle, from internal material requests to supplier performance. Purchase orders monitors all POS and delivery status, summary or item-wise. Purchase invoices, detailed item-level view of all incoming supplier bills. Service tracking, manages service invoices and reconciles ordered versus provided services. Debit notes, tracks credits issued to suppliers and linked items. Purchase returns, logs items sent back to vendors via delivery challenge. RFQ management, monitors requests for quotation by status, item, or supplier. Supplier ratings, evaluates vendor performance on quality and speed. Indent register, tracks internal material requests at the item level. Next is product and services. Product price and inventory, item-wise stock in store with unit per price and stock valuation. Product price and inventory, with WIP item-wise stock in store and WIP with unit price. Stock movement register, total opening, in-out, and closing stock for a given time frame. Stock adjustment, details of all stock adjustments and physical stock reconciliations. Stock transfer, item-wise list of all the stock transferred from one store to another. Product aging inventory, item-wise month-on-month age breakup of all the stock quantity. Issuance report, items and their issued quantity for various processes. Rejection report, items and their rejected stock from various sources. Negative stock, list of all the items with stock quantity less than 0. Item price, check your last 3 PO or DC price for each item. Item stage, stock of all items in different stages. New product report, list of all new products added into the inventory in a given time. Barcode report, list of all the items with respect to their assigned barcode. Missing barcodes report, list of all items in which barcode number is not present. Store manages invert goods receipts and reconcile physical stock against invoices. Invert register, itemize details of all the products received via invert documents. Inventory approval report, inventory approval status with document details. Inventory approval report, itemize, inventory approval status along with their document details. GRN invert invoice mismatch, item-wise comparison of PO, invert, GRN, and invoice quantity. Quality, control product standards by tracking inspection results and pending quality checks. GRN QR register, item-wise accepted and rejected quantity via GRN document. GRN QR register, item-wise details of accepted and rejected goods for purchase transactions. GRN pending report, list of inverts where GRN is yet to be created. GRN pending report, item-wise list of item-wise inverts where GRN is yet to be created. FG testing report, process-wise finished goods testing status. Dispatch, manage outbound logistics and ensure shipping accuracy against order confirmations. Dispatch report, invoice-wise dispatch information. Dispatch report, item-wise, details of all goods dispatched via invoice. OC invoice item mismatch report, difference between item quantity in order confirmation and invoice. Subcontract, oversee materials and production processes outsourced to external job workers. Subcon details, details of all the subcontracted work outsourced from a production process. Outward register, details of items which have been sent out from the store via challan. Pending RM in subcontracts, pending RM quantity at job worker based on the received goods. General, view high-level business health through profit-loss summaries and system audit trails. Profit and loss, sales and purchase invoices net earnings calculated from invoice data. Profit and loss, invoice versus production cost margins based on revenue versus manufacturing spend. Selling price versus COGS, comparison of sale prices against cost of goods. Counterparty details, summary of all registered network contacts and partners. Transaction tags report, list of all custom tags linked to transactions. Approval status report, current authorization state of all system documents. JobWork 57F4 report, compliance tracking for external job work materials. Audit trail details, granular log of specific user actions and changes. Audit trail report, summary overview of system-wide audit activity. Production, monitor manufacturing efficiency, process routing, and bill of materials, BOM, changes. Process basic information and history, details of actions taken by users in a production process. Process details, item-wise current status of processes along with item-wise details of production. Production report, day-wise total quantity produced for each item. FG creation detail report, in-depth data on production and testing details of FG for each process. Process routing details, details of routing completed on a specific production order. Process routing comment report, shows process routing wise comments. BOM amendment report, details of number of amendments made in a bill of materials. Item BOM, to check the BOM in which a particular item is present. Single item production report, production status of FG along with transaction details. Accounts, track financial health including receivables, payables, and tally accounting integration. Accounts receivable, details of pending receivables. Accounts payable, details of pending payments to be made. Receipt register, details of all payments received from customers to date. Payment register, details of all payments made to a supplier to date. Debtors info, list of all the payment and dues with respect to your buyer. Creditors info, list of all the payment and dues with respect to your supplier. Debtors aging info, buyer-wise month-on-month breakup of payment to be received. Creditors aging info, supplier-wise month-on-month breakup of payment to be made. Company ledger voucher, counterparty-wise company ledger. Counterparty opening-closing balance of counterparties. Revenue register, Item-wise total sales quantity and amount in a given time frame. Payment marked paid, details of invoices which are marked paid without getting full payment. Tally integration information, details of completed tally integration with ledger name and amount. GST, simplify tax compliance with dedicated reports for sales, purchases, and input tax credits. GST sales report, comprehensive report for GST on sales. GST purchase report, comprehensive report for GST on purchases. GST ITC 04, report for ITC 04 compliance. GST ITC, array report for input tax credit, reversal addition. This module transforms raw data into a 360-degree view of your business, ensuring operational efficiency, financial health, and total compliance. Thanks for watching.